Hey, today I'm going to be making a gaming computer. I'm using a Lian case, some ROG Strix parts, some Lian fans, an Intel 13700K processor, Kraken Elite. Let's get into it. Right now I'm installing the SSD. Ready to be installing the core right now, the CPU. Next, we're going to put this back bracket on for the water pump. We're going to install those RAM sticks, some Kingston Furies, 32 gigabytes, DDR5. Now I'm installing the water pump to the motherboard. Now that we got the water pump going, I'm going to start installing some case fans after this.